Has this ever happened to you? You go to close your vertical blinds and not all the blinds close all the way? There might be a simple solution. As you can see here, not all my blinds are closing all the way. This is because the little sprocket blind stem has snapped off some of the pieces. Right here, you can see that what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off the vertical blinds off the vertical stem clip. One by one, I'll remove all the blinds that are affected. This process makes it much easier to get to the clips and just remove them. These Graber blinds are nothing more than vertical blind stems on a C-clip that ride on the carrier. These are nothing more than vertical blind stems in the C-clip, so all you have to do is pop them out. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to get them popped out right though. It can be a little more difficult. For me, the originals were a clear plastic stem and the replacements were a white plastic stem, but you really don't notice the difference from afar. Here I am trying to reset the little sawtooth gear that's up there. So you can put them back in with needle nose pliers and a little small screwdriver. This one took quite a bit of challenge to get me to get back in though. It kept falling out of my hands every time I went to pop it back in its place. I honestly don't know how many times that sawtooth gear popped out. It was getting really frustrating for me. I got the sawtooth gear seated back in its place. I was able to pop the new vertical blind stem in, which held it in place. As it turns out, one of my vertical blind stems is still missing a sawtooth gear. This was the original reason why this one blind was not spinning. Unfortunately, through years of use, other blinds began to stick or get hung, and repeated forcing them to open or close without readjusting them properly or untangling them resulted in some of the gears being broke off the stems, which resulted in those not spinning as well. Once I got all the new vertical blind stems back in place, it was simply just reclipping in the vertical blinds, making sure that the arc was facing the same direction as all the rest of them. Back in place, I gave them a quick turn to see if they work. All of them work except for the one that was still missing the sawtooth gear, which I need to order still. blinds both directions all the way open and closed to ensure that all the other vertical blind stems were functioning correctly and not leaving any gaps or anything. I believe part of the problem is my couch is really close to the vertical blinds, which results in sometimes the couch hitting them and making it difficult to turn some of them, and they end up being forced turned.